Today, we are going to discuss about basic integration rules involving constant, polynomials, and with radical sign. In today's discussion, we are going to tackle about basic rules of indefinite integrals. To start this one, let's have this example. Now, we have an antiderivative sign or integral of a constant 3 dx. The first thing we need to do is to set on the left side of the integration sign the constant. Then, we are going to write dx. So, the integration. So what we do is we put the constant on the left side. So, the integration of dx is x. And since it is indefinite, we put plus c because it is constant. Therefore, derivative of 3x plus c is equal to 3 times 1 plus 0. Therefore, the answer is 3. And that's how we can prove that the derivative is the opposite of integration. Now, let's try another example. The integration of pi dx. The pi here is constant, so we put it on the left side. Then, the integration of dx is x, so we have pi x. And since it is indefinite, we put plus c, and that is the integration. The next one, we are going to tackle about the integration of e dx. Our e here is constant, so we put it on the left side. Then, the integration of dx is x, so we have ex plus c, and that is our answer. Now, let's have some general expression. Here, we have integration of x raised to n dx. And the general expression for that is x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Let's have some example for this. So we have x raised to 3 dx. Our value of n here is 3. So we have this answer. Okay? The value of n is equal to 3. So we have x raised to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. And we need to simplify this further. X raised to 4 over 4 plus c. And that is our answer. Now, let's try another example. We have x raised to 4 dx. The value of n here is 4. So, what we have is x raised to 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. Then, simplify it further. X raised to 5 over 5 plus c. And that is the integration of our problem. Now, try this one. We have combination of constant and variable. We have integration of 7x raised to 4 dx. What we do is we put on the left side of the integration sign the constant. So, we have 7 and the integration of x raised to 4 dx. So we copy simply 7. Then the integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 over 5. Then we put plus c. Then simplify it. 7 over 5 times x raised to 5 plus c. And that is our answer. Now, try this one. We have integration of 15x squared dx. The first things first, we need to set on the left side of the integration sign the constant. Then we get the integration of x squared. So we have 15 x cubed over 3 plus c. Then we can simplify it. We have 5x cubed plus c. That is our answer. Okay, let's try this. Another example. We have integration of 2x dx. What we do is we put on the left side, okay? Then get the integration sign or the integration of x. We have x, since it is have a exponent 1 here, we have now x raised to 2 over 2 plus c. We can simplify it. Then we have x squared plus c. That is our answer. And now that we get the basic idea of indefinite integral, now let us discuss definite integrals involving polynomials. Now, try this one. We have the integration of x squared plus 5x minus 2 dx. The first thing we need to do is we just simply distribute the integration sign. So we have this integration of, okay, we have 5, put on the left side of the integration sign the constant. So we have this example. Okay, are you following? Now, what we do first is just simply get the integration. X cubed over 3 plus 5, then integration of x is x squared over 2 minus, okay, minus 2, and the integration of dx is x plus c. The next thing we do is just simply simplify, or just simply this is the answer. Now, let's have some complicated task involving integration of polynomials. We have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 dx. First things first, distribute the integration symbol or the integration sign. We have integration of x cubed dx, okay, dx plus 2 times the integration of x squared dx minus 5 times the integration of x dx plus 7 times the integration of dx. Now, we can get the integration. We have x raised to 4 over 4 plus 2 times the integration of x squared is x cubed over 3 minus 5 times the integration of x raised to 1 is x squared over 2 plus 7 times x plus c. Then we can simplify this. We have x raised to 4 over 4 plus 2 over 3 x cubed minus 5 over 2 x squared plus 7x plus c, and that is the integration of indefinite for polynomials. Now, try this one. You have the indefinite integrals with radical sign. Let's try this example. We have integration of square root of x dx. And based on the law of exponent, we can write this like this. We have integration of x raised to 1/2 dx. After doing that, we know the value of n, and our n here is 1/2. And we can ready to get the integration. So, it will become x raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, to simplify it, we have 1/2 over 1 over 1, and we can get the value of 3 over 2. So 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. So to simplify it, we have x raised to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. By this one, we can further simplify this. So we have x raised to 3 over 2 times reciprocal, we have 2 over 3. Then, we have this 2 times x raised to 3 over 2 over 3. Or we can rewrite this as 2 times the square root of x cubed over 3 plus c. And that is our integration involving radical sign. Now, try this one. We have the fourth root of x raised to 3 dx. And based on the law of exponent, we can write this radical sign like this. X raised to 3/4 dx. And our n here is 3/4. So, what we do now is just simply get the integration. We have x raised to 3/4 plus 1 over 3/4 plus 1 plus c. Then, simplify it. 3/4 plus 1 over 1 is equal to, we get 4 here. 4 divided by 4 times 3 is equal to 3. 4 divided by 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Then, we have 7 over 4. So, we can simplify it. We get the value as x raised to 7 over 4 over 7 over 4 plus c. Now, we can multiply it by getting the reciprocal of 7 over 4, which is 4 over 7. After going that, we have 4x raised to 7 over 4 over 7. Or, we can write this as 4 over 7 times the fourth root of x raised to 7 plus c. That's